Today I will talk about a prestigious postgraduate program offered in collaboration with the University of Warwick at EMU campus. Eastern Mediterranean University is an official overseas center for the University of Warwick since 2011. We currently run the Master of Science courses in both Engineering Business Management and Supply Chain and Logistics Management. Students studying at the EMU Center are fully registered as Warwick students and are awarded exactly the same degree as students studying in the UK. Students at the EMU Center also have the option to take 2 out of 9 modules in the University of Warwick, UK, or at any other overseas center such as Singapore, Hong Kong, China, Thailand, Malaysia, with no further tuition charge. In 1980, founder of Warwick Manufacturing Group, Professor Lord Kumar Bhattacharya, had a vision to improve the competitiveness of organizations through the application of value-adding innovation, new technologies, and skills deployment, bringing academic rigor to industrial and organizational practice. 4 decades later, WMG continued to drive innovation through pioneering research and education programs, in partnership with organizations in both the private and public sectors, both nationally and globally in applied science, technology, and engineering, to deliver real impact economic growth, society, and the environment. They have grown into an international role model for how universities and business can successfully work together. The University of Warwick is one of the UK's leading universities with an acknowledged reputation for excellence in research and teaching, for innovation, and for links with business and industry. Warwick has consistently maintained its position in the top 10 of the UK University League tables, offering courses with high academic content that are stimulating and challenging. So, about entry requirements, let me brief you something about the entry requirements. Students joining the WMG MSc program for Engineering Business Management normally have completed an undergraduate degree in engineering, information technology, and other related fields. For Supply Chain and Logistics Management, all related fields may be considered. Students entering SCLM program are graduates of a number of different programs including business, banking, architecture, and tourism. Students should normally have a minimum CGPA of 2.7 or second-class honors degree and an English proficiency level of minimum IELTS 6.5. EMU graduates are exempt from English proficiency. For academic year 2019 and 20, a fee of $15,000 applies, payable in 3 installments, with a non-refundable $150 registration fee. So regarding scholarships, all students are automatically evaluated for merit-based scholarship awards on receipt of an acceptance letter from University of Warwick. Scholarship awards of 20% are given upon getting unconditional offer, 30% upon CGPA 3.0 to 3.49, and 40% upon CGPA 3.5 to 4 are offered. Full MSc program comprises 9 modules and a dissertation project. It is possible to complete it in 1 year as a full-time student. Each module comprises 1 week of intensive full-day instruction to be followed by a 4,000 to 6,000 work assignment called post-module assignment to be completed within 6 weeks at the end of each module. Dissertation project counts for 50% of the final grade for the MSc. The modules are delivered jointly by WMG staff who come to EMU for the intensive week along with accredited tutors at EMU. Students will also have a dissertation project and a course supervisor at EMU. Both Supply Chain and Logistics Management and Engineering Business Management programs have the same modules. The major difference between the 2 programs will be in the project area students select. So, let me brief you about the current modules. Logistics and Operations Management. Operations management involves transforming inputs, capital, labor, and materials efficiently and effectively into outputs valued by the end customer in manufacturing or service environments. This will enable students to evaluate which tools, techniques, and technologies are most applicable in different industrial contexts. Our second module is supply chain management. Supply chain management capability within industry, within business, has over the last decade in particular taken on a much more significant role in enabling business to gain competitive advantage and deliver bottom line performance. So the principal aim of the module is to prepare the students with the advanced knowledge in the field of supply chain management and to develop the essential skills to apply the knowledge when facing or anticipating real-world business cases. Our third module is global business environment. This module focuses upon key business decisions in the global economic environment, which can present both opportunities and threats to an organization. This module has been designed for individuals with no prior knowledge of economics and seeks to explain the workings of the domestic and international economic systems and examine key aspects of the economic environment which affect the business climate. Our fourth module is quality management and techniques. This module focuses on this fundamental understanding of change and also the skills and behaviors necessary to lead strategic change, cultural change, and specific change initiatives. Fifth module is procurement and inventory management. Procurement and inventory management from the interfaces in today's supply chains of industrial goods. As the global division of work is still increasing in all industries, in order to improve speed, process integration, and customer satisfaction, there is a growing need for a modern sourcing system. So this course will put the emphasis on the design and management of processes and control systems of the inbound supply chain. This course module deals with the understanding and the design of procurement networks and multi-stage inventory control systems. Let me talk about another module which is one of the core modules of the program, is Operation Strategy for Industry. The existence of a properly formulated and explicit strategy is essential to ensure the development and success of the business. In industrial companies, the operation strategy is a key element. Every company is in a unique and dynamic situation, offering products and services with different order, winning criteria. Consequently, the philosophy of this module is to present a variety of frameworks, methods, and examples of how operation strategy can be formulated and implemented in manufacturing and related industries. Financial analysis and control systems is the module that is the first of two finance modules. It aims to provide a basic understanding of financial management of a business, developing on that to give students the ability to analyze critically the financial data produced by a business and relate this to the underlying operations of the business. Our eighth module is Project Planning, Control and Management. The module aims to teach the generic principles of project management, planning and control for any project in any environment. And our last module is Organizations, People and Performance. This module is intended to provide a knowledge and understanding of the importance of strategic management of the human resource in organizations and how this relates to the wider organizational context and business strategy. It is based on the premise that people are the key and most important resource in the organization and translate other resources into added value. It explores all elements of the successful and effective people management practice. It is a generic module and therefore is applicable across a range of courses. The strategic and operational management of people is a crucial concern. Therefore, for any organization and its leaders and managers who are keen to succeed as more complex business models and organization structures emerge. So at a practical level, it equips students with knowledge and appreciation of a broad range of core concepts, theories, and models as a toolkit of understanding and analysis to aid them in facing the challenge and complexity of leadership in modern, rapidly changing organizations. So now I would like to talk about why you should choose MSc in Engineering Business Management. Progressive technology-led companies are looking for people with both the practical engineering skills and the management skills to drive productivity and profitability. Our MSc in Engineering Business Management is designed for graduates who want to become managers or leaders of technology-based organizations. The course delivers a broad education in engineering management and business and will equip you with the analytical tools and techniques to improve internal and external operations. So during the course of the year, you will develop skills in the research, analysis, and evaluation of complex business problems and gain a methodical approach to problem solving and decision making. You will learn about the processes and technologies used by engineering businesses and will develop an understanding of the functional relations between business divisions that can optimize efficiency and competitiveness. Engineering management focuses on the key value-adding activities of market, product and process development, operations, logistics and supply chain management, and core and emerging technology. The focus on value creation for technology-based organizations is a key differentiator of Warwick's MSc in Engineering Business Management. So as a graduate of EBM, where could we work? Where could we hunt for positions? You can expect to be employed as a leader of business development, manufacturing, quality assurance, human resources, or customer service in a wide variety of manufacturing or service organizations, particularly where technology plays a significant role in business success. Recent graduates have gone on to work in a wide range of companies, from manufacturing through the finance and consultancy. There are many different career paths open to you as an EBM graduate. Last but not least, let me brief you about why students should choose to study MSc in Supply Chain and Logistics Management. As our global reach becomes ever more apparent, there is a need and opportunity for organizations to connect together to deliver added value to the customer through interlinked supply chains and efficient logistics. So our MSc in Supply Chain and Logistics Management is designed for graduates who want to work within logistics and supply chain management across a variety of business sectors. The central content is the concept of a supply network, constructing the relationships which bring it into being, commissioning the technologies which enable it to operate, managing the input, the material and information flow, and distributing the product. This is supported by personal development opportunities in more generally applicable competencies such as statistical methods, quality management, business and industrial law, and improving performance. So during the course, you will develop the skills to evaluate, manage, and improve service, operational and supply chain processes, and conduct market analysis. Using enterprise resource planning systems, you'll be able to improve the operational functions of a business and develop a broad understanding of strategy development and design. So SCLM graduates have a huge spectrum of companies and positions they can work in, including providers of third-party logistics, aerospace, electrical and electronic products, and technology-based firms. Students from this course go into a variety of roles including export supervisor, supply planner, supply chain analyst, supply chain specialist, consultant, transport operator, procurement coordinator, supply chain manager, planning executive, and quality assurance roles, amongst many others. And thank you for listening. For more information, please don't hesitate to visit our offices and Banking and Finance Department 3rd floor at EMU, and visit our website warwick.emu.edu.tr.